Today holds a quiet elevation of a higher view, the kind of energy that lifts you out of the moment and lets you see your life with softer, wiser eyes. You may feel yourself stepping back, slowing down, or observing more than engaging. This isn't detachment, it's clarity. A natural pause that helps the bigger story reveal itself. If you've been craving perspective, this is your invitation to breathe, rise, and trust what you see from above. Explore your rhythm deeper inside Perfectly Balanced Co. on the Mighty Networks app.